Hello, everyone, and welcome back. It's Mr. Hine. And today, on the final lesson of this quarter, we're practicing the same thing of solving systems of equations. And there's different methods here, but we're really focusing on two of the three today, which is tables and graphs. Now, remember, a system just means more than one. So the idea here is instead of just looking at one thing, there's more than one thing happening, and we have to account for that. In this example, Jordan has $10 in her savings account and she saves $10 or $5 a week. Reggie has $50, but she likes to spend her money and she spends $5 a week. When will they have the same amount of money? So one approach you can do is you can put a table for both of these. So you can say weeks, and we'll say Jordan's money. And let's do a different table, weeks, and say Reggie's money. And you don't even have to make two tables. You could even combine this into one table if you so choose to do. And let's see what happens if we just look at both of their accounts. Okay. So Jordan's account, she starts with $10 and saves $5 a week. So she starts with 10 and she's going to go up 5 every 1 week. So after 1 week, she'll be at 15. After 2 weeks, she'll be at 20. After 3 weeks, she'll be at 25. After 4 weeks, she'll be at 30. And after 5 weeks, she'll be at 35. I don't know if that's far enough, but we'll stop there for now. And Reggie has $50 to start with, so 0.50, but she spends her money and spends $5 a week. So after 1 week, what's that mean if you spend money? Well, that means you're losing money. So now you're going to minus 5. You should be at 45. And after 2 weeks, if you minus 5, she'll be at 40. After 3 weeks, she'd be at 35. After 4 weeks, she'd be at 30. And after 5 weeks, she would be at 25. Well, if I'm looking at these two tables, I'm saying, okay, when will they be the same? Well, Reggie has more money, still has more, still has more, still has more. And now Jordan has more at week 5. So that means in the middle has happened. And I can see it nicely that at week 4, they both have the same amount. So at week 4, they both have $30. And that's great. And there's your answer right there with one approach. Now, a second approach is if we did a graph here, we should get the same answer. And it's good to just recognize this from different representations. So I'll do down here weeks, and we'll go 0 to 5 because we know that's all we need here. And then I'm going to go by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 to represent the savings. Okay. So if I do Jordan's here, Jordan started with 10, and then she went 15, and I could try and plot 15. That's in the middle there between 10 and 20. At 2, she'd be at 20, 3, 25. And notice that you're going up 5 over 1. That's your slope again, as a reminder, up 5 over 1. At 4, you're at 30, and 5, you're at 35. So that right there represents the rate of Jordan's money. And if we do Reggie's, Reggie started at 50. Now she's minusing 5. So that means that, if we plotted the point, 145 would be 145. Or if you understand slope, that negative 5 over 1 means you're going down 5 over 1. Down 5 over 1, down 5 over 1, which 430 is what we got on the table. Down 5 over 1. And this represents Reggie's. And we can see from this graph that they're going to intersect right there. There's your point of intersection, which in this case is the point 4, 30. And what does 430 mean in this problem? Well, 4 is your week, so you're saying week 4, they both have $30. And that's great. That's exactly what we got with the tables. And we can see this from two ways. And again, if you want to push yourself, a little challenge is, can you get 430 using the equations? But don't worry if you can't do that. That's what we're going to be starting the next quarter with back in January. So good luck with this assignment. I hope this makes sense to you. Give it your best attempt, and the teachers, myself, or your math teacher will help you through it if you need it. All right, that's it for this quarter. Great job, everyone. You did it. Take the quiz coming up this week, and awesome job. Bye-bye.